Hobart Champion Elite 225 Review. Full power, real results, and one machine does it all. Ever been mid-weld on a critical repair when your machine overheats and just stops? I was fixing a broken gate frame at full load and my old welder quit cold. I sat there waiting for it to cool down while the job waited and the clock kept running. That kind of interruption does not just waste time, it costs real money. Does that sound painfully familiar to you? The frustration runs deeper than one bad day. It is that slow, suffocating pressure of managing a separate welder and generator, 2 fuel systems, 2 machines to load, and still watching jobs drag past deadline. Common solutions either overheat under serious load or deliver so little generator power they are nearly useless. There had to be a calmer, smarter, and far more capable way forward. Then everything changed when I found the Hobart Champion Elite 225. But before you go shopping, here is something critical. Do not just pick any engine-driven welder generator. Make sure it has a true 100% duty cycle at full amperage, so you never waste time waiting on cooldown cycles in the middle of a real structural job again. Let me be honest, the first time I fired this machine up on half-inch mild steel, I kept waiting for it to flinch. It never did. The Hobart Champion Elite 225 runs a 23 HP Briggs & Stratton Vanguard twin-cylinder engine paired with an 11-gallon fuel tank, making all-day runtime genuinely real. The single-knob amperage control spans 25 to 225 amps, with a clean dial that makes precise setup feel effortless. The 9,500 watts of continuous AC auxiliary power keeps your grinder, lights, and compressor running simultaneously while you weld without any power drop. Arc Reach remote capability lets you adjust amperage right at the workpiece, which completely changes workflow on larger sites. And at roughly 20% lighter than the previous Champion model, it fits in most UTV beds and truck cabs without heavy lifting equipment. One machine quietly replaces 2 units and eliminates enormous daily stress. Once the Hobart Champion Elite 225 becomes your daily machine, the long-term benefits stack up fast and naturally. Mornings get sharper because setup means one machine, one fuel check, and one knob turned to the right amperage. Your focus stays on the actual work because you are not managing cooldown timers or rationing generator power across competing tools. Structural jobs that once stretched across 2 sessions now finish in a single uninterrupted run at full 225 amps. The broader professional community backs this up from multiple directions. A verified Northern Tool buyer described building 3 bridges on his property with the welder, then running his entire home through a power outage on the same machine, including the well pump, sump pumps, and television. A pipe welder with 30 years of experience examined a family member's unit and called the arc quality genuinely impressive. One fabrication reviewer noted it ran quieter than competing engine-driven welders at similar output levels, a meaningful advantage across a long workday. An industry publication independently confirmed the Vanguard engine delivers the best power-to-weight ratio in its class at 3.35 pounds per horsepower, a verified engineering specification rather than a promotional claim. Now, the honest objection. This model uses a pull start rather than electric start. Here is what actually matters, though. Nearly every verified field reviewer confirms it starts reliably and has never failed them, even in cold weather. One customer mentioned their grandkids could maneuver it around the farm independently. Picture yourself 6 months from now, arriving at a remote job site with one compact machine delivering full arc power and enough generator output to run your entire crew. Which electrode type do you run most often on jobs like these? Thousands of farmers, contractors, and professional field welders are already running the Hobart Champion Elite 225 as their single go-to solution for serious welding and high-output portable power combined. The transformation is clear and real. Calmer job site setups, uninterrupted full amp welding at 225 amps, and enough generator capacity to keep your entire crew powered without dragging a second machine along. If that sounds like the upgrade your workflow has genuinely needed, the affiliate link is right there in the description and pinned comment below. Go explore it and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.